Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Massive bangs, missiles and mayhem. The reality facing millions of people in the Middle East, including Jamaicans, as US-Israeli forces continue to wage war on Iran. Jamaica's Foreign Affairs Ministry is warning citizens not to travel to the area at this time. But for those Jamaicans already in neighboring countries such as Dubai, they're praying and hoping for the best. Debris from missiles have already destroyed prominent sites in Dubai. Ramarda Lyons spoke with a Jamaican hours after missiles hit the city.
Smoke rising near a port in Dubai amid Iranian counter-strikes in the region. It stretches ominously. A missile intercept heard over the country Sunday morning. The videos raising eyebrows for people around the world. So imagine the people there currently. Jamaican Ashia Thompson is one of them. Hailing from St. Elizabeth, the certified public accountant has been living in Dubai since 2024. She spoke to TVJ News 11 p.m. on Saturday.
In the Burj Khalifa, I was able to see and hear missiles in the distance. It was certainly unsettling in the moment, and those sounds are not something you ever fully get used to.
Overwhelming, gut-wrenching. She admits that amidst the turmoil, nerves took over.
I want to be honest by saying in the beginning that it was very overwhelming. I shed a few tears, but I quickly reminded myself who I am and whose I am. My faith grounded me, and being Jamaican, resilience is in our DNA. We come from a people who know how to stand strong in uncertain times. So that spirit combined with my faith has allowed me to navigate this season with calm and clarity.
Parts of the luxury city was left in an orange glow from fires. Here, a drone crashes into the ground near a hotel. Gripping images, but Ms. Thompson says there's one thing causing some level of calm.
Authorities here in Dubai has confirmed that over 100 missiles were successfully intercepted, and that speaks volume about the country's level of preparedness, its advanced defense system, and its commitment to protecting residents.
Earlier, panic at the Dubai International Airport. Smoke and dust, sirens blaring, people scurrying to safety. 4 people were injured. Now all flights in and out of the 2 main airports have been suspended until further notice. Ms. Thompson says since the start of the geopolitical tensions, mood shifted.
As a Jamaican living in Dubai, this season has been especially emotional for me because Dubai is known as one of the safest cities in the world. So experiencing regional tension right now is very heartbreaking.
However, she says there's a concentrated push to keep citizens updated with the happenings. This, as false reports threaten to cause more panic and fear.
There has been clear communication thus far, strong security presence, and a very structured, calm response from leadership. So residents have been advised to really remain indoors, stay in safe areas, and just rely on official news sources right now because there is so much misinformation circulating online. So the atmosphere here in Dubai has been one of vigilance, but not panic.
Dubai has a population of over 4 million people, and for the first time, they feel as though they're caught between a rock and a hard place.
With US bases located across the UAE, Dubai found itself directly affected by the broader conflict. As you know, with everything that's happening, Dubai is, not a city of war, but again, so happens to be in the crossfire with everything that's happening.
But hope isn't lost. Ms. Thompson says one thing louder than missiles and sirens is prayer.
I am, above all, just praying for peace, not just for Dubai, but for the entire Middle East. Just peace, stability, and protection for all at this time.
Jamaica's Ministry of Foreign Affairs says it's monitoring the situation in the Middle East. All Jamaicans in the region are being urged to exercise vigilance and to shelter in place as conditions may require. The ministry also advised Jamaicans to avoid all travel to the region at this time. Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.